going to do now? Oh, I know. We'll cut this circle that the dear little missus wants. She wanted one the other day, 700 round, so I did that for her. And you know what it is, you do a job and then, oh, you're wonderful, you saved it now, can I have another one? So, oh, yeah, right, eh? What am I going to use? Oh, here we go. A bit of plywood, nothing flash, nothing fancy. Doesn't even have to be that shape. Now Sue would like a circle around 500 mil. So it's not precise, but pretty close to 500 mil, which I'll endeavour to do. So what I've got is just a real stock standard router. It's not a plunge router or any flash like that. And what you do, first of all, you work out what size bit you're going to have in there. And in this case, and I think it's about 12. It is too, it's 12. So, we take the base plate off. Take the screws out. Now measure from the centre of the hole on your jig. Let's go there for a minute. From the centre of the hole, I've got a centre line down here. Measure 250 from the centre of that hole. And that's to there. But bearing in mind now, we've got a 12 mil bit here. So you're going to have to divide that in half, which is 6, and then move that line, you put it 250, which is there, move it out another 6 mil, which is half the thickness of that. Because you won't be cutting dead centre, your cut line's going to actually be out here. So if you use that as dead centre and you use this, you'd end up with, what, 500 less 12, whatever that is. So it'd be 490, which most likely would do. It's not that critical. And drill as best you can on the centre line. Just like that, that's it. We'll put this on here and we just replace these screws. Make them nice and secure. And that's it. Now I've got to just find a nail. I'll lay this underneath it. So then when I actually cut through, I'm not going to cut into my mat. Okay, so that's 540, so that's 270. So we go 270 here. And that can be 300, that can be okay. That should be the centre of what we're going to cut. Now, instead of doing it in one hit, I would suggest you take it slowly and go down gradually. Nail that hole you just drilled. Okay, that'll do that bit. That'll do that bit. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple of clamps on the other end to hold it in place so it doesn't go all over the joint. Okay, like a set of eye muffs on. It's going to be a good year, George. Eye muffs. Eye muff and tough. Drop it down a bit. There we go. Grab a bit of 100 grit or something like that. You don't have to, but well, I'm going to do it because I don't want me missus getting splinters. And that will work for any size circle, any size bit, and any circle. There you go. And we'll measure it. Let's see how close I got. I'll even do this. I'll do this on this camera just to show you that I'm not scared. How close are? Look at that. All right. Okay, 510. That's good enough for what she wanted. That is okay.